Hey, what's up guys? If you're an affiliate marketer and you're focusing on organic marketing, there's one thing that you're not doing that's probably the missing piece between you making consistent sales and not. Anyway, I'll catch you guys right after this. Alrighty, welcome back guys, and thank you very much for joining me. If this is the first time on the channel, I'd like to say a very warm welcome to you. My name is Jamie. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer, digital ad strategist. I'm a coach for a program, got over 570 students, absolutely smashing it when it comes to affiliate marketing. There is a link below this video. You're welcome to check that out. If you'd like to learn more about affiliate marketing from a no bullshit approach, feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay up to date with everything I put out. All right, so here's the thing. A lot of people seem to be really good at the whole organic marketing thing and certain elements of it, but there's a bit of a disconnect for a lot of people, which is the consistency in which the income shows up. So there's two things I'm going to teach you guys about today that are going to help massively when it comes to basically making sure that you are getting a level of consistency in your income when it comes to organic marketing specifically. And the first thing is you need to be making offers. Now, this is something that is so unbelievably obvious, and I know that a lot of people are just kind of rolling their eyes or probably moved away to the next video. But here's the thing. So as part of the Super Affiliate Accelerator, as I mentioned, I'm a coach for that program. We've got a challenge for this month, which is essentially just to make offers every day, make offers to your audience. Now, a lot of pundits out there are now dismissing that and saying that you shouldn't do it, and you're gonna reek of sales breath and all that bullshit. But the reality is that this is the best month I've had financially online, and I attribute a lot of that to the fact that I've been making more offers on a very consistent basis. Now, we are halfway through February, which is really cool at the time of recording, and I've averaged between 3 and 4 offers every single day. And it can be as simple as a verbal one, such as, hey, if you guys want to check out a free case study of how I was able to go from $0 to $10,000 per month using nothing more than my Facebook profile, go to jgcall.com or click the link below this video. There goes an offer for you guys to check that out. That's one. So it could be something like that. It could be something like a Facebook post. It can be wrapped up into a story. It could be a unique offer that you put out as part of your email follow-ups. If you've got a chatbot list and you want to engage with people via your chatbot, you can make an offer that way. I'm using Facebook stories as well. I use the poll option. And I put out a bit of content, and I put out pretty random content, to be honest, but then I'll do a poll with the story that tends to get a lot of good engagement there as well, making a few sales that way as well. So that was the first thing. So I think a lot of marketers are really good at this whole idea of getting really good engagement. And basically one of the things that I've said previously is likes aren't loot. As in, getting a whole bunch of engagement doesn't necessarily equate to actually making money on the other side of that. So what is the missing piece? Like I say, a lot of the time it is really just about making an offer. It can be a follow-up message in Messenger as well, by the way. Hey, you and I have been chatting for a little while. Would you like to check out this thing? It's getting some great results for our students. Here's a link if you'd like to learn more about that. It can be something like that, right? So that's the big thing, is making offers to your audience, the big, huge thing there. And I'm going to paraphrase Frank Kern, something that I've been talking about a little bit on this channel before, but it's essentially the 3 main things to focus on every day in order to build your business. And number 1 is build your audience. If you don't have an audience, you need to get one, because you need people to sell stuff to, right? So number 1 is building your audience. Number 2 is putting goodwill in your audience. Hopefully at the end of this video, you guys are going to have a little bit of, I guess, a better idea. Hopefully this is valuable to some people. They might go, okay, I had a bit of an epiphany. Maybe I'll make a few more offers, see what happens. Maybe you'll make some sales off the back of that. Who knows? So that's goodwill. You got to do that every day. And of course, when you are making offers, it's a byproduct that you're putting value out there. And this is yet another topic for another day, perhaps. But people often say, just put out value. Well, yeah, you got to put out value, but you got to be making a call to action at the end of your value post, right? Or within it as part of a story, things like that. So number 3 is basically to make offers. So those are the 3 things: build an audience, put goodwill into your audience, make offers to them, give them something to buy, right? So those are the 3 things. So anyway, that's point number 1 that I was going to discuss. The second thing is you got to realize that your content is going to be doing a lot of the selling for you, and it's the way that you frame your content that when you put that out there in a certain way, you're going to start attracting the right people. You're going to start polarizing people. And so the content is the thing that is going to be doing the heavy lifting, right? So if you are not getting sales on a consistent basis, you've got to understand that it's largely to do with the way that you're pre-selling based on your content alone. So that's number 2. Now, how do you fix that? Again, there is a link below this video. Just released a course. It's $100. It's going up to 200 very, very soon. And it is getting some incredible feedback. A lot of my students have actually made sales off the back of that. So there you go. There's another offer for you guys. Check that out below. Right. And so the last thing, and this is a little thing I wanted to cover with you guys as well, is in order to make sure that you're doing your best to make offers and getting things out in front of your audience, you need to balance out a high ticket with a low ticket offer. The reality for most of us is, unless you're running paid ads, you're probably not going to be making a high ticket sale in the initial stages of your business when you're building it up through organic marketing. However, having said that, you have offset products. So you start building up your recurring revenue. You start putting out offers of things that are $50 or $100, things like that. So what that means is that, over the end of a month, you've made X number of high ticket sales, you've made X number of low ticket sales, and like I say, balances out over the course of a month. Now, there's also something that from, I guess, an abundance factor, if you're wanting to go down that pathway, and some people may or may not believe in some of that type of stuff, but the reality is that it can be hard for a lot of us to cope with this idea of not making a high ticket sale on a consistent basis. And that's the reality of being an entrepreneur, is that you can't guarantee your income. However, to be able to sell something for $50 or $10 or $100 or whatever as a low ticket item, a lot of the time, because of the consistency in which you can sell a lower ticket item is usually a lot more. It means that from an energetic basis, you're still feeling abundant. So it means that it actually is easier to attract the high ticket buyers as well through you selling low ticket stuff. But you got to offset those two. So of course, my advice and my focus is a high ticket product, one that pays you $1,000 plus per sale. You are doing the work, you might as well get remunerated for it. However, like I say, the flip side of that is that you need to balance that out with a lower ticket product as well. And when you combine those two, you are making offers to your audience, then you'll probably do pretty well. So anyway, hopefully that helps you guys out. Like I say, if you're interested in learning more about this stuff, check out the links below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.